Let's build a First, we need to assemble. Hydraulic drill. Done! Now we need to fill it. Hydraulic drill. Pump. Hooray! Let's drill a well hole. We need to wash. Hydraulic drill. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. We did it! We have to assemble front end loader. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Front end loader. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's remove the extra soil. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble crane truck. Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Crane truck. Press the pump. Done! Let's install the concrete rings. Now we need to wash it clean. Crane truck. Hooray! We need to assemble mini loader. Ready. Filling. Mini loader. Press the pump. We did it! Let's connect the rings. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. We did it! We have to assemble. Tamper. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Tamper. Pump. We did it! Let's flatten the ground and reinforce the well. Let's wash. Tamper. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We need to assemble. Vacuum truck. Done! Now we need to fill it. Vacuum truck. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's pump out the dirty water and put in a water filter. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. We did it! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. Amazing! Let's finish building the well's top part. Perfect! The well is finished! The village got a spring with crystal clear water. You're doing really great. The old water mill is completely dilapidated and waiting for restoration.